What's going on, guys? Welcome to your 33rd and final video of MySQL. Now, I know there are some things such as triggers, cursors, stored procedures, some things that I didn't cover, but a lot of these technologies are not fully supported yet in all versions of MySQL. So what I'm going to do is I decided not to teach these other things until the technology is fully developed and that MySQL and all versions of them support these things such as triggers, cursors, stored procedures, so on and so forth. So for now, there you go. That's your beginner's tutorial in MySQL databasing. Congratulations, you made it to the end. And before I let you guys go, I want to tell you guys a couple of things. First of all, whenever you want to back up your database in PHPMyAdmin, go ahead and log in and click on the database that you want to back up. For example, mine is named YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and now all you have to do is hit this export tab right here. Now you can go ahead and choose custom if you don't want to export all the tables or something, but the easiest way is just to use quick selection, quick export, and make sure you export it as SQL format. Now when you go ahead and hit go, what it's going to do is it's going to save the file for you. Now this is your SQL file pretty much the file that you have been importing from my file, to use an example, it's basically the same type of file. So there you go. There's your backup. If you ever lose your database or something, just create a new database real quick and import this file using the import tab, and you'll be good to go. So that is how easy it is to export and import, pretty much how to back up a database using PHPMyAdmin. Now, I said that that was the last thing, but I actually want to give you guys a few more tips that are going to make your database life a whole lot easier. Now, the first tip is whenever you create a database and you're creating your tables, take the time to create your table structure properly. Make sure you have all the columns you need, make sure you name them properly, and especially make sure to take the time to choose the right data type and the right amount of memory for each column. It's going to save you guys a whole lot of headache in the future. Now, the next tip is make sure you never retrieve more data than is necessary. This is probably the biggest mistake I see beginners use. For example, they pretty much use select all for pretty much their only query, and then they pick out the pieces, but this isn't good. You typically want to use select all basically never unless it's absolutely necessary. Again, never get more data than you absolutely need. And the last piece of advice is full text is usually generally better than like. Remember this, full text greater than like. It's just faster and it's cleaner and it's the technology is just better in every way I can think of. So with those little pieces of information, I'll finally let you guys go because I bet your brain is about to explode from all this MySQL. So go take a break, go do something else, and again, like I said, whenever these technologies are fully supported, I'm going to come back and do either add more videos onto this series or do an advanced tutorial series on MySQL covering triggers, cursors, stored procedures, all that good stuff. But for now, that's all you guys get. So thank you guys so much for watching this series. And if you have any further questions, just go to my forum, tnbforum.com, and I'll answer them for you there. So again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to add me on Google+. I'll see you later, and thanks again.